It's autumn in Australia. The sun is still shining, but the rain is not far away. Finally, I've got time to finish my quilt. Last year I collected and thrifted a whole lot of beautiful pure wool and cashmere mix sweaters. Someone very special gave me this beautiful golden satin that I could use as a backing for my quilt. It also makes the binding. I wanted gentle colours for my bedroom. Cream colours, toffee colours, coffee colours, with some blues and greens as well. I only wish that you could feel the soft luxuriousness of this quilt. Because the patches are attached in places rather than sewn down, the whole quilt maintains its beautiful flexibility and lightness while still being very cozy and warm. Why don't you treat yourself? Make one of these beautiful quilts just for you.